So in an all-gate headstock, we use three shafts to transmit the power. The power comes from the shaft on the upper side and to the shaft on downside. Thus, it goes to the live end. So we attach gears to get various speeds. I am trying to show you the gears. On the first shaft, there are three gears. Here is gear number 1, gear number 2 and gear number 3. These three gears are attached, so they cannot move freely. They will have to move the other two gears alongside with them. And on the third shaft, these three gears are also attached, but on the second shaft the three gears are seated separately. Now I will show you some variation of speeds that we can achieve using the first gear on the shaft 1. So let's start. I am moving this one to the left side so that I can connect with the first gear on the second shaft. Here we go. It would be slightly less, maybe this. mm, it is colliding. Let's get it -3. Now it's okay. So the power would come from the blue shaft to the yellow one. Now we would attach the gears from the shaft number 3. So let's move the gears. 25, 27, it would be okay. So now the power would come to the blue one from the green one, sorry, the golden one, and to the blue one on the third shaft. Now I will move this again. I will try to connect the gears on the right side. So let's move the gears on the shaft number 3. No, this should not be. Now it's okay. Let's move it. Now using this combination, we can also achieve another set of speed that would be different from the first one. This way, using those 3x3 gears, we can actually achieve nearly 27 combinations of speed. I am showing you some. Like, I can just connect the middle one of the first and second shaft, or the gears of the left side on the first and second shaft, and the gears of the right side on the third shaft. Just the power would come from the blue to, you can see, or I can connect these two. Just the power would come from this direction to this, and this would go to the live end. I am showing you another one. It would be body. Okay, let's move it. Let's move it leftward. Again to 25, 25. Okay, so now the power would come from this to this to this and to the vent. So this is how we can achieve speed in the all geared headstock. Thanks for watching the video.